Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we are going to create this environment modeling in Maya. So in this video we're going to model this abandoned building. So let's start. To create the building, I'm going to take a plane first. Now press T and increase the width and height. I'm taking the width 6 and the height 8. Keep the subdivisions to 1 by 1. Now go to front view and rotate this. Go to face mode, select this face and press Ctrl E. Use offset. To 0.7. Remove this face. Select this face and press shift and select this Z axis and drag this to inside. Now press shift right click and extract this face. Bring it out. Again, go to face mode, select this face, press Ctrl E and use offset. 0.35. Select this face, delete it, and this one also delete. Go to object mode and extrude. Add thickness to 0.3. Select this object and place it inside this window frame. Now go to edge mode and select this edge. Press Ctrl and right click, go to edge ring utilities and select this to edge ring and split. Now while selecting this edge, press shift right click and use bevel. Decrease reflection to 0.37. Go to face mode and select these faces. Press Ctrl E to extrude. Add thickness to 0.1. So our window is ready. Go to front view, vertex mode, select these vertices, press R to scale. Now select both these objects and use combine. Go to front view and create a duplicate. Rotate this. Go to top view and place this one here. Now again go to front view and select this. Create a duplicate by pressing shift T. Place this one here. And press shift T again to create some more duplicates. Do the same for this side. Go to right view, create another duplicate, press shift T and place this one here and create one more duplicate. Now select these windows, combine them, go to front view and vertex mode, select these vertices. Press shift right click and go to merge vertices and select this merge vertices. Add the threshold to 0.02 or maybe 0.1. Again go to right view and select these windows, combine, go to vertex mode, select these vertices, go to merge vertices and use the threshold to 0.1. Now select these windows, press Ctrl D and place them here. Now go to your channel box and in the scale X add -1. Now select these windows, create a duplicate, place them here. Again go to your channel box and in the Z axis add -1. Now select all of them, combine, go to vertex mode and top view, select these vertices, and use merge vertices. Now go to front view and vertex mode, select these vertices, press R to scale and scale them vertically. Now go to edge mode and select these edges, press shift and pull them up to Y axis. Now again go to front view, create another duplicate of this wall model, place it on the top of it. Again select both of them and combine. Go to vertex mode, select these vertices and use merge. Now go to front view again and in the vertex mode select these vertices and pull them up. Now in the edge mode select these edges, extrude. And select these edges, press shift right click and use bridge. Do the same for these edges. Now press shift right click and select this insert edge loop tool and create some edge loops here. Now go to vertex mode and select these vertices. Press shift right click and go to merge vertices. Add threshold to 0.1. Now go to face mode again and select these faces. Press Ctrl E to extrude. Add some thickness to 0.5. Now select these faces. Press Ctrl E and intrude to -0.4. Now we need to create a door to enter this building, so go to edge mode and select these edges, press shift and extrude. Now go to face mode and select these faces, press Ctrl E and add some offset. Go to front view and faces, select these faces and delete. Now go to vertex mode and select these vertices and snap them to these bottom vertices. Go to face mode, select these faces, press shift and intrude these faces. Select these face and delete. Now select these faces and extract. Bring them out. Go to front view and in the face mode, select this one and delete. Go to edge mode and select this edge. Use edge ring and split. Add a bevel. Fraction to 0.55 and add a split again. Use bevel. Fraction to 0.15. Select these faces and pull them up. Go to face mode, select this face and extract. Go to modify and center pivot. Bring this out. Select this face. Also use modify and center pivot. Press Ctrl E to extrude. Add some thickness to 0.3. Go to edge mode and select these edges. Press shift right click and add bevel. Decrease the fraction and increase segments. Now select this face, press Ctrl E and add some offset. Select this face, delete it and this one. Now go to object mode and press Ctrl E to extrude again, add some thickness to 0.2. Now go to edge mode, select all these edges and use bevel. Reduce the fraction to 0.3 and add one segment. Place this back in the door. Now combine them and go to front view. Take a new cylinder. Bring this out. Place this on the door. Press T and reduce the radius to 0.12 and subdivisions to 16. Also turn off the subdivision caps. Go to right view and create a duplicate. Rotate this and scale. Place this here. Create another duplicate and place this one here. Combine all of them. Go to perspective mode and in the face mode, select these faces and use bridge. Change the curve type to blend and increase the division. Do the same for these faces. Go to face mode and select them. Bridge faces, curve type to blend and divisions to 5. You can also go to edge mode and select all these edges and then go to mesh display and use soften edges. Now go to face mode and select these faces. Press Ctrl E and add some offset. Press Ctrl E again and add thickness. Place this on the door. So select all of them and combine. Go to front view, create a duplicate, place this one here. Go to the channel box and in the scale X add -1. Select both of them and place them inside this door frame. So our door for the building is completed. Go to right view and scale this building a little bit. Go to vertex mode, select these vertices and expand them. Now take a new cube, place this on the top of the building. Press T and increase the width and depth to 8 by 8. Also increase the height to 4 or maybe 3. Increase the subdivision height to 2. Go to edge mode, select these edges, press R to scale and scale them in the Y axis. Go to face mode, select these faces, press Ctrl E and intrude to -0.2. Now go to face mode again and select this top face, press Ctrl E and R to scale. Then press Ctrl E again and intrude. Now go to front view and place this on the roof. Create a duplicate and place this one here. And create another duplicate and place that one here. Now go to front view and take a cylinder, place it here, rotate this, press T and increase the height. Let's take 40 and reduce the radius to 0.6. Go to top view and place the cylinder between these boxes. Now go to front view again, press 4 to enable the wireframe. Go to vertex mode, select these vertices and place them here. And do the same for this one. Now select the cylinder and go to insert edge loop tool. Add one edge here and another one here. Do the same for this side and this side. Now go to face mode and select these faces. Press Ctrl E to extrude, add some thickness to 0.15. Let's create a staircase, and for that I'm going to take another cube, pull this up and put it on the roof. Press T and increase the width, height and depth. So for width I'm going to take 16 and height let's take 10 and depth 8. Now go to object mode and select this insert edge loop tool, add one edge here and another one here and last one here. Now go to face mode, select this face and pull this inside, delete it and select this face on the bottom, delete them as well. Again go to face mode, select this face and press Ctrl E and add some offset to 0.5. Then press Ctrl E again to intrude. Now go to object mode and select this insert edge loop tool one more time and add an edge here. Go to face mode again and select these faces, press Ctrl E to extrude, add some thickness to 0.2. Now select this door and create a duplicate. Pull this up, go to front view and place this door on that stairway. Go to wireframe mode and in the vertex mode select these vertices. And bring it down. So our building modeling is completed. So that's it for today, and if you like this video then subscribe to the channel and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, thank you for watching.